Alright guys, I got this Honda Civic over here, and what we're gonna be doing on this car is we're gonna be replacing this brake bulb. Okay, while you're in it, you can also have access to this bulb right here, but we're gonna replace this bulb. Very simple. All right, it might be a dual flare, but once we get in there we'll know. So I believe, yes, it is. This bulb illuminates with your headlights. If you put it on your headlights and you see one is working, the other one's not working, it's a bad bulb. It's the same bulb. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out that bulb and we're gonna replace it with another bulb. So that's a brake light bulb. Also the regular back bulb. All right, also I'm gonna show you how to replace this, and the procedure is the same for this one. Okay, so very simple. Open your trunk. What you're gonna do is you're gonna remove this number 8 and this number 8. You could use a number 8 head or a Phillips head screwdriver. It's all up to you. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our Phillips head screwdriver here. We're gonna turn this screw right there. Does have a little washer on it. Alright, let's put this safely here. Take the second one down here. Remove it also. Should be very simple. Oh, another thing, if you do need to replace this light, same procedure, okay? Make sure you take this out of there, because if you try to close the trunk, if I leave it just like that, you'll break the windshield, the rear window. All right, so once this is out, it's gonna be loose. So all you do, you simply, you yank on this light. It's a little wet for me, but you should be able to grip this and yank this light off very easily, just like that. All right, so just take your time with it. You don't want to yank it and just break it. So very simple. This light has a clips back there. All right, one came out, one doesn't want to come out, and then it needs a little bit of force. There you go. All right, so let's leave the light right there. So let me show you what we're looking at in the back. So you see these two clips right here? One was in there, one was in there. So that's how simple it is. So you have a whole bunch of bulbs in there. Whole bunch of bulbs. Let me take my camera up. Alright, so there we have it. Let's bring this light closer also. So to determine which bulb you need is that one right there. You have, that's this bulb right here. You do have a whole bunch of other little things. You have a bulb here and you have a bulb here. So if you need to replace your reverse bulb, that's this one right here. And then you have another bulb down below, and that's this one right here. But we're mostly focused on this bulb. So all you do is you turn this clock counterclockwise. This comes out. Okay, I'm sorry. This is a single flare bulb, not a dual flare. I believe it works off that and this. But anyways, you take this bulb and you pop it open. I'm gonna go get another bulb, and we're gonna put another bulb. So this bulb is a 7440. That's the bulb size. Okay, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Got a new bulb right here. Same size. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this bulb, you're gonna put this bulb in there. You can put it this way, it does not matter, okay? Another thing, I held the bulb in my hand. A lot of people who said, okay, that was a bad idea, but all you need to do is you put this bulb in, you take your shirt, and you just simply clean it, okay? My shirt is very clean. It does not have any grease because this is Monday morning, fresh shirt. So there you go. And after that, you're gonna take your bulb, you're gonna put it back in there, find the little grooves where they belong, and you turn it clockwise. Very simple. Okay, after that, you're gonna take your light, make sure you line the little clips. That's the first thing. And after that, let me back up my camera. And you push on it and just tap it gently. Once they're in, make sure you do put your 2 screws back in. Do not forget your screws. And what I'm gonna do is try not to tighten them unless you think you caught the threads. There you go. Perfect. Push the light, hold the light in position where it belongs. And there you go. One is tight. And the second one is tight. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, but we are going to move over to that direction. Replace, I'm going to show you how to pull out the bulb over there. Alright, now we're going to move over to right here. So this is where your brake light bulb, this third brake light here, is right here. So all you do is you turn this. It's the same bulb. You put it back in the same manner. And once you put it back in, you turn it, make sure you find the slots, and all you do is you turn it, and that's it. That's how simple it is. That wasn't even a hassle, okay? Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And if you need to do the lights on this side, same procedure, okay? So thank you again. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and bye-bye.